Okay guys, today I'm going to show you my new extension which can use to reply messages and send proposals, especially on Fiverr.com, any other website. First you need to go to extension and you need to have pin pressed. Then you will show icon like this. When you click, you will see the dashboard connection API config. In the API config, you need to configure API keys. Those keys you can get from here in AI Studio Google.com. Create the key and you will find the key like this. And you need to copy that key. After copying that, you need to paste it here. You can choose the your Gemini AI model. My favorite one is Gemini 2.5 Plus. You need to paste this here. It will automatically save and you can test keys. It's okay. And you need to add multiple keys, and when it's processed, the API will rotate to avoid your limits, whether you are in a free plan of Google AI Studio. So then you need to go to setting and you need to find with Google. Let's click that button. Then you need to click again. You need to click here and bounce. You have to go this side and click continue. After continue, you will get a page like this. So you will to tick all everything to access your Google Drive, to save your files in your Google Drive, and then continue. You can see sign in is success. Then you need to go to your files. If you have any files that need you to send with your prompt, you need to attach it. Let me upload the file. Okay, this is my file. I'll attach it. You can see it is uploading. After uploading, it will see the file preview here. And then you need to this is the file preview, and you can see the Gemini. This is called Gemini status. It should be green. If it is green, you can use this file with the prompt. Then let's make a new prompt. So these are the prompt template. You can get a template and you can edit the template, and also you need to attach a knowledge base file which we already uploaded to Google Drive. It will show here. You need to attach then save prompt. So every prompt doesn't need to have a knowledge base file. If you want, you can create custom prompt without any knowledge base files or any variables. I'll show you how to configure a variable. Okay, so these are the variable section. If you want to add the variable, what is variable called? Suppose if we want to add the own description, you can add it under variable called bio. In the bio, you can add your description like I am a graphic designer and I am an engineer. Your bio field you can add. Likewise, you can add menu custom variables like your language. Then if you want to translate text, you can use your custom variable within your prompt like this. You can see in the follow-up section, you can see there is a variable. There are two types of variables in this section. So I configure the earlier stage. These are the custom variables. You can configure those variables and you can use those variables with your prompts. And also there are system variables. This is a system variable. The conversation variable, what does, you can find everything in the user guide, where when you are in the website, you can find many details about these things when you explore these guides and everything. Yeah. This again, this is a system variable. What is this? When you are conversation in Fiverr.com, then the conversation will be the chat messages you and your client. It will automatically, means it will dynamically replace that value when you are sending this request with along with the prompt. And also, suppose if you add a variable like this, in the variables you have to add like this, right? Let me show you example. You can say this is my this is my language. No need to add your variable this like this. What this does, when it is automatically replace your value from here. When you are, suppose you are add your language like Spanish, then within the prompt, it will automatically replace this is my language, Spanish. Likewise, so you need to configure those custom variables as you want. Also, this plugin contains system variables and also uh, uh, some other variables like I'll show you within the progress. Suppose if you have a proposal like this, you need to click brief and then create the offer. So what it does, we need to copy proposal details. And after you copy, you will see a small button like this. And if you click it, it will show a pop-up screen like this. And these are the custom prompts I already configured in the setting section. In this prompt, I will use my proposal prompt to get output. And what is this called? This is a reply variable. Send along with the prompt to Gemini API, and it will retrieve the result as you want. Like you can say in for proposal, I attach a knowledge base files which contains my previous project links and everything. So I can say simply, please add more links from my proposal. So this is optional one. Or you can simply send without any reply variable. So I'll send this. You can see it is working. You can see the animations. Yes. Let's wait until it's processed. Now you can see we got the result from the Google Gemini output. This is we want. It is automatically write a proposal using this project details and my knowledge base file, and you can see it will automatically extract the relevant project links and include it into the result. So you can click insert. It will automatically insert into the proposal. Yeah, you can even edit here like this. And if you want to continue this proposal with, you can refine this proposal as you want by clicking chat icon. Then it will open another chat, so you can chat many things, and you can get the more refined result using this chat. It means let me send a message to this that please add more. Yes, more links, that's it. Then you can see it is working. And now we wrote the offer, and you now need to send the automatically included all links because we already send the links with the custom knowledge base file. So this is what we can do within the proposal section. And in the inbox section, you can see when you after installing the plugin, you will see a icon in your chat. So it is loading. You can see the message icon is here. So normally I made these plugins. Before reply the plugins, it will automatically read the previous conversation data and use these conversation data as a context to the API request. And you can see there are these are other things that I created earlier. So let me send a follow-up message. You can see when I chose the custom prompt, it will automatically send to the Google Gemini API, and it will retrieve the result soon. So what it does, it will automatically extract this conversation, my previous conversation data, and and also it will include the prompt, and then it will send those data to the Google Gemini API retrieve the results back. You can see this is my follow-up message. It is very easy. So this is a Fiverr conversation mode, and I earlier showed you this is the proposal mode. And not even the Fiverr, you can work on any website like Facebook or whatever your website. You can use this plugin. I'll show you within Facebook how I use this. Suppose in this video you want to add a comment. So what you want to do is you can to get an idea, you can copy many prompts, many comments like this. If you copy one time, it will automatically, you need to allow this, and it will automatically copy the message. Let me show you again. I'll show you how it is working again. So suppose you can see when you are selecting text, it will automatically add one. If you are selecting one text, it will add one, and if you are selecting two text, it will automatically select this text. So when it will the count is increasing, it's two, and like this it's three, and you can use your prompt here. So I'll add another reply variable here. Please make the reply comment for this conversation. I forgot to tell you, in the prompt you have to include that reply variable in the prompt configuration. Otherwise, the reply variable will not automatically send to the API request with the prompt. So you need to configure that as well in the prompt. So I'll add reply variable, and also this is my prompt. So I didn't configure any prompt yet, but I to show your demonstration, I use a random prompt like this. And what it does, it will automatically save this text and this this comment and this comment, and with our custom reply variable and prompt, and it will automatically send to all through the Gemini API. The result will be like this. So this is a comment that I want to include. So when I insert it, it will automatically insert in here. So if I want to insert here, I need to click that and install. It's inserting. It should be insert. Okay. So this is the way when you if you want to use this extension in another website. So not only Facebook, you can use any website that you want to add your comments. If you want to write something about website content, or if you want to reply a conversation, even you can write an email. What you want to do, you want to write, you want to select text that you want to reply, and ask to and configure a form according to that, and it will get the result like this. So suppose if you want to, there are some settings that I need to show you. So these are the keyboard settings. You can use via these options. So you can control by these settings, and these are the preferences settings. And so you can you can read our knowledge base, and also there are a lot of things added here. So you can see the how we use the variable. Everything is in here, so you can read and understand everything, and how to configure those variables. Okay. And the another thing is this is another chat call is AI assistant chat. It's a normal simple regular chat. You can chat with like this. It's a standalone chat box. You can ask question and you can get the replies like this. Hope you like my extension. Please let me know anything about this extension, and you can see in the dashboard the things you can see the things, and you can use these buttons to help and to get our website, visit our website, and yeah, these are the things that I want you to show. And thank you.